Hello friends, this is Anand. Welcome to my channel. Anybody can do. Today I'm going to discuss a question from GATE CS branch year 2007 for 1 mark. The question is based on topological ordering. Consider the directed acyclic graph with vertex 1 to 6 shown below. Which of the following is not a topological ordering? The question is been asked, not a topological ordering. So first what we will going to do, first we will try to understand what do you mean by the topological ordering or topological sorting. Okay. So as per the definition in computer science, a topological sort or topological ordering of a directed graph is a linear ordering of its vertices such that for every directed edge uv from vertex u to vertex v, u comes before v in the ordering. So in the question they have asked which is not a topological ordering. So to solve this particular question, what we will going to do, we will try to solve which all are the topological ordering. So when we are solving for topological ordering, automatically we will get answer for which is not a topological ordering. So whenever there is an edge in this figure, you can see the edge from 1 to 2, there is an directed edge. So before visiting 2, 1 should come. Okay, so before visiting 2, we must visit 1 first. Okay, so what we will going to do here, we will observe this ordering 1 2 3 4 5 6. So first we will visit 1 because there is a directed edge from 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. So before visiting 2 and 3, we must visit 1. So this is the first option is true till this moment. So 1 2 3, this is the proper topological sorting. Before visiting 4, we must visit 2 and 3. So here you can see there is an edge from 3 to 4 and 2 to 4. So before visiting 4, we must visit 2 and 3, and before visiting 2 and 3, we must visit 1. So this is a perfect topological ordering, or we can say this is topological sorting. Okay, now we will observe the option B. So before visiting 2 and 3, we must visit 1. So 1 3 2, which is correct. Before visiting 4, we must visit 3 and 2, and before visiting 5 and 6, we must visit 4. So this is also the example of topological ordering. Okay, now we will see the option C, which is 1 3 2 4 6 5. Again, before visiting 5, we must visit 4. Before visiting 6, we must visit 4. Before visiting 4, we must visit 2 and 3, and before visiting 2 and 3, we must visit 1. So this is also the example of topological ordering. So obviously which one, this is the answer for this particular question. Okay, this is not a topological ordering. So correct answer for this question is 3 2 4 1 6 5. So here you can observe, see 1 is coming after vertex 3 and 2, so which is not the correct topological ordering. Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care.